Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Naneshwari Bhosle, and today we continue our series on cybersecurity essentials. Diving into RSA algorithm. Let us start. RSA algorithm. Let us see what is basically RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is asymmetric key. Asymmetric key cryptography is also called as public key cryptography. Two different key pair are used, that is public and private. One one key used, it is public for encryption, and another key is used, that is private key for decryption. If you have an extremely large number that has only two factors, which is prime numbers, you can generate a pair of key. Example: 10 number factors of 10 is 5 and 2. Both are prime numbers. RSA algorithm is the most popular and proven asymmetric key cryptographic algorithm. The prime number as they form the basis of RSA algorithm. The RSA algorithm is based on mathematical fact to find the multiple large prime numbers together, but it is extremely difficult factor their product. The public keys and private keys in RSA are based on very large prime numbers. So let us see the algorithm. Firstly, we choose two large prime number p and q. Calculate n, that is p into q. Select the public key, that is encryption key, e, such that it is not a factor of p1 and q1. Such select the private key, that is the description key, d, such that the following equation is true, that is d into e mod of p1 and q1 equals to 1. For encryption, calculate the ciphertext ct follows ct equals to pt raised to mod of n. Send ciphertext as a ciphertext to receiver. For decryption, calculate the plain text from the ciphertext, that is plain text equals to ciphertext raised to d mod of n. So next, choose two large prime numbers p and q. Let p equals to 7 and q equals to 17. Calculate n, that is p into q. So we have n, that is 7 into 17, that gives us 119. So select the public key e such that it is not a factor of p1 into q1. Let us find 7 1 into 17 1, that is 6 into 16. So that gives 96. So factors of 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Choose E such that none of the factor of 2 and 3. Choose E as 5. So select the private key, that is D into E mod of P minus 1 and Q minus 1 equals to 1. So let us substitute the values of E, P and Q. We have D into 5 mod of 7 minus 1 into 17 minus 1 equals to 1. D into 5 mod of 96 equals to 1. After some calculation, let us take D equals to 17. The following is true. So 77, D equals to 77, the following is true. So 77 into 5 mod of 96, that gives us 385 mod of 96 equals to 1, which is what we wanted. For encryption, ct equals to pt raised to e mod m n. Assume plain text equals to 10. So ciphertext equals to 10 raised to 5 mod of 119. So 10000 mod of 119, that is 40. Send 40 as the ciphertext to the receiver. For decryption, plain text ciphertext raised to d mod of n. So plain text 40 raised to 77 mod of 119 equals to 10. So the examples are p equals to 13 and q equals to 11. Encrypt the data, that is 13. So p equals to 3 and q equals to 11 and e equals to 3 and m equals to 00111011. Calculate the private key and ciphertext. Convert binary to number. So calculate the ciphertext using RSA prime number. P equals to 7 and q equals to 17. So the plain text is 10. RSA algorithm, key generation. So select PQ. P and Q both prime. Calculate n equals to P into Q. Calculate n equals to minus 1 and Q minus 1. Select integer E, GCD of n of E equals to 1. calculate D, that is D into E mod N equals to 1. Public key equals to E and N, private key equals to D and N. So the encryption process, plain text M is N is greater than capital M. Ciphertext C M raised to E mod N. For decryption, ciphertext C ciphertext M equals to C raised to D mod N. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions or topic request in the comments below, and stay tuned for the next video in our cybersecurity series. Until then, stay safe and stay secure. Thank you so much for watching this video.